Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to loop a video on YouTube TV. Now YouTube TV is awesome for watching your favorite channels and recorded shows, but sometimes you might want to replay something, maybe a crucial play in a sports game, a hilarious moment, or just a scene you really enjoyed. Unfortunately, YouTube TV doesn't have a built-in loop function like regular YouTube. But don't worry, we have some simple workarounds for you. In this video, we'll go over two main methods. First, using the rewind button repeatedly, and second, how to create a manual loop by setting reminders. We'll also briefly touch upon the limitations and why YouTube TV doesn't have a dedicated loop button. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more YouTube TV tips and tricks. It really helps us out. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so the first method is the simplest, but a bit tedious, using the rewind button. Let's say you just watched a highlight you want to see again. Immediately after it finishes, just repeatedly tap the rewind button until you get back to the beginning of that clip. Keep your finger ready. This works best for short segments, as rewinding a long show can be a real pain. Obviously, it's not a true loop, as you need to keep pressing rewind. Now for the slightly more sophisticated method, using reminders to create a manual loop. This works best for longer segments or even entire programs. Find the show you want to loop. Set a reminder for it to record. Once the show has finished recording, you can then watch the recording. When the recording ends, simply go back to your library and start the recording again. This effectively creates a manual loop. You will have to manually restart it each time, but it's less work than constantly hitting rewind. It's also worth noting that if the show airs repeatedly, you can set multiple recordings. This creates a backlog, allowing you to watch it again and again without having to immediately restart. So why doesn't YouTube TV have a simple loop button like on regular YouTube? Well, it likely comes down to how the service is designed. YouTube TV is primarily for live TV and recorded content, not necessarily for replaying short clips repeatedly like you might on YouTube itself. A dedicated loop function probably isn't a priority for their target audience. Hopefully, YouTube TV will add a proper loop function in the future. But until then, these workarounds should help you replay those moments you just can't get enough of. And that's it for this Rome Tips video. We hope you found these methods helpful. Remember to like and subscribe for more YouTube TV tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.